Good morning, fifth grade. We have made it to the last math assignment that we will have out of our everyday math for this school year. As you can see, for lesson 614, we have Math Box's preview for Unit 7. Remember, with the preview, you're just trying to do the best that you can. All right, we have an area in the first box. Remember, you just multiply. Okay. 2, you have to rewrite these as a mixed number. 3, you have to talk about attributes. Remember, attributes are something that describes a thing. So it says one attribute that are shared by a square and a rhombus. So what are some things that both a square and a rhombus have in common? One attribute I could think of is that they both have 4 sides. Okay. Then you have to look at these patterns. You have to complete a what's my rule, find the in out, and then you have to rewrite each whole number as a fraction given the denominator. Remember, all you have to do is multiply the whole number by the denominator to get the new numerator. So it shouldn't be too tricky for us to do this. If you've seen on the schedule, Thursday of this week we are going to be starting to prepare for the mini metric Olympics. It is a fun activity that we will be doing for all of next week. There are 2 parts that you guys will do. I do understand that some of you might not have access to some of the things that you need for metric recording. So if you just use our system and have either a parent help, or you can, use Google, and let's say you're trying to go from ounces to milliliters, you can put that in and do a unit conversion on there and just do the best that you can. It's meant to be a fun project. You'll hear more about that on Thursday, and you'll have the whole weekend to try to gather materials and things, and maybe you can there's a ruler on it that you can get printed off and cut out. Anyway, I hope you guys do well on this last assignment, and I look forward to seeing your mini metric Olympics.